my house flooded. We're back in, so we're safe. Everyone was safe. That's all that really mattered. So lost a lot.
Since Hurricanes Helene and Milton, we've listened to how flooding washed away entire lives. But for some renters, the risk of rising waters came with no warning at all.
Nothing about hurricanes, nothing. No flooding, they didn't tell me nothing. I just came and I moved in.
That's because up until Wednesday, landlords were not required by law to disclose any information about the history of flood damage. Something real estate attorney Stephen Hatchie says creates issues for not just tenants, but buyers too.
And a lot of landlords and unfortunately sellers take the incorrect position that they do not have the duty to disclose whether their property flooded.
It's already law in Florida. For those trying to sell their homes, they're required to share flooding history. But now it includes landlords as well, before tenants sign a lease. Hatchie says because of the recent hurricanes, most renters are already thinking to ask before signing. But that may not last forever.
Last year to now, did you have a lot of people coming in and saying like, hey, we weren't told?
I think it's just too new. I think down the road we will have those calls. Right now we haven't had those calls because again, the flooding is top of mind for those buyers or renters. Now fast forward 3 years from now, right? Buyers and tenants have short-term memories. They may not go and ask, hey, did your property flood?
Now, some tips to look for if you are looking to rent is looking for stuff like new drywall, new painting, and making sure you're asking if you are in a flood area. And we'll also have more information on the new law linked on TampaBay28.com. For now in Hillsborough County, I'm Blake Phillips, Tampa Bay 28.